Why is it crucial to understand language use in social context? How does it shape our identities, social practices, and power dynamics? These are the questions that discourse analysis, a qualitative research method, seeks to answer. Firstly, the process of discourse analysis begins with the formulation of a research question. It's about pinpointing a topic that demands a deep dive into language use in a specific context. Next, grounding the study in a theoretical framework is fundamental. There are numerous frameworks, including Foucauldian discourse analysis, conversation analysis, and critical discourse analysis, among others. Each offers a unique lens through which to view language use and social interaction. Data collection follows. This step involves gathering relevant data, which can encompass written texts, spoken language, visual materials, or often a combination of these. If the data includes spoken language, transcription is necessary. It's important to capture not just the words, but also non-verbal elements, pauses, and intonation. Then comes the stage of data coding and annotation. This involves a systematic analysis of the data, identifying recurring patterns, themes, or linguistic features that are relevant to the research question. Contextualization is an integral step. Here, the findings are placed within a broader social, cultural, and historical context, taking into account how larger societal structures and power relationships may influence language use. Interpretation and analysis of the coded data help uncover underlying meanings, power relations, and discursive strategies. It explores how language constructs and reinforces social norms, identities, and ideologies. Triangulation is a tool used to validate findings, using multiple sources or methods to corroborate results. This enhances the reliability and credibility of the analysis. Ethical considerations must never be overlooked. The research must respect the privacy and rights of participants. Informed consent must be obtained, and data anonymized as necessary. In the write-up stage, findings are presented in a coherent and structured manner, with implications of results discussed in relation to the research question and theoretical framework. The process concludes with a peer review and revision, followed by publication. The work is submitted to peers or colleagues for feedback, then revised based on constructive criticism to refine the argument. Finally, the research is shared through academic publications, conferences, or other appropriate channels. In summary, discourse analysis is a rigorous and systematic process that examines language use in social context. It offers invaluable insights into how language shapes and reflects social practices, identities, and power relationships. The steps involved, while flexible and dependent on the chosen theoretical framework and research objectives, demand a reflexive approach throughout, acknowledging one's own positionality and potential biases that may impact the analysis.